Hey guys, my name's Kennedy and my media organization speech is on the Special Olympics. So the person I'll be talking about is Taylor Mackenzie, who is from Dundee. And Taylor is 15 years old and has autism and intellectual disabilities. Taylor first found her passion for swimming at just 3 years old, and for the first 5 years of her life, she was nonverbal until a normal trip to the pool one day just sparked her first words, tickled toes touching water, when she jumped into the pool. She has gone through many challenges with self-doubt in her abilities, but her talent and passion for swimming quickly grew. At only 15 years old, Taylor will be one of the youngest swimmers at the Special Olympics World Games in Berlin. This is a huge multi-sport event comprising 7,000 competitors from 190 countries. Taylor specializes in the freestyle and butterfly stroke and will be following a rigorous routine as she prepares for Berlin at Monfield Swimming Club, a few miles east of Dundee, alongside mainstream swimmers under her head coach, Christy Thompson. Taylor faced some problems during COVID with all the pools being shut down. She had nowhere to go. That was until her parents came up with a brilliant idea to keep her swimming. They bought a deep paddling pool for their patio, and by attaching her to a fence with a piece of bungee rope, Taylor could swim with resistance for hours. Taylor says sports have already taught her to learn from disappointment, and you won't always win or get top marks, but it's okay and to always do your best. So what is the Special Olympics? The Special Olympics is a global movement of people creating a new world of inclusion and community where every single person is accepted and welcomed regardless of ability or disability. So the founder of Special Olympics is Eunice Kennedy. She found inspiration from her sister Rosemary, who had an intellectual disability also. They were always playing sports together with their family where they would swim, sail, ski, play football together, but she noticed there were limited programs for people like her sister. So she decided to begin her own intellectual disability summer day camp in her own backyard, called Camp Shriveler, leading to the first International Special Olympics Games in Chicago, Illinois. What began as one woman's vision evolved into Special Olympics International, a global movement that today serves more than 6 million people with intellectual disabilities, 1 million coaches and volunteers, more than 100,000 competitions each year, and 32 Olympic-type sports through 204 programs, including 141 countries and 51 U.S. states. Special Olympics also provides Young Athletes, which is an early childhood play program for children with and without intellectual disabilities, ages 2 to 7 years old. Young Athletes provide children of all abilities with the same opportunity to advance in core developmental milestones and introduce basic sports skills like running, kicking, and throwing. They also offer youth in schools. This program aims to empower young people, educators, coaches, families as leaders for inclusion starting in their local schools and communities around the world. They support youth innovation projects to create global unified schools and global centers for inclusion. It brings young people together to develop leadership skills and connections, and they work to spread the word and connect college students and Special Olympic athletes through shared experiences. Lastly, the Special Olympics offers competitions like the World Games and the Unified Cup. The World Games are twice a year, alternating between summer and winter, and during these games, the entire Special Olympics movement comes together to see the athletes in action and celebrate their victories over huge odds. No other event in the world has the social and emotional impact of the Special Olympics World Games, and these are the games that Taylor Mackenzie will be entering in. So the Special Olympics also has the Unified Cup, and this is a soccer competition that is elite in every way. This game features 24 nations and over 300 soccer players and shows the world how the power of sports builds and shapes a diverse community that unites and empowers people of all abilities from all backgrounds. So Special Olympics is offered all across the world, and this also includes Buffalo, and they are located in the North Forest office spaces off Worley. So the Buffalo branch offers 22 different sports throughout the year based on the season, like summer, winter, spring. So here in Buffalo, there are more than 2,600 athletes and unified partners each year. And Buffalo offers athlete training at every level from beginner to the World Games. Also, some known fundraisers around here are the Polar Plunge and the Snow Bowl, which is a flag football game, both huge fundraisers to benefit the Special Olympics.